You've ever accidentally deleted a task, folder, or project in Wrike and then panicked about where it disappeared to? Don't worry. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to easily retrieve your deleted items. To get started, the first thing you need to do is go to Wrike.com and sign in with your account. This is your secure entry point into the platform. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Wrike workspace where all the magic happens. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll see a navigation panel filled with various options that help organize and manage your projects effectively. Scroll down through this panel until you locate the option labeled Recycle Bin. Don't worry if you can't find it right away. Wrike has a handy search feature which allows you to type Recycle Bin into the search bar, making it pop up instantly. Click on Recycle Bin to open it. Once inside the recycle bin, you're greeted with a list of items that have previously been deleted. This includes tasks, folders, projects, and files. The beauty of the recycle bin is its organization. Items are generally grouped by the date they were deleted, providing a chronological order that makes it easier to locate recent deletions. However, if you've got a lot of items in your bin and need to locate something specific, there's a potent tool at your disposal, the search bar at the top. By using this search function, you can swiftly find what you're looking for without scrolling through endless lists. Whether it's a task name, project title, or file name, typing these into the search bar narrows down your results significantly. Having quick access to the recycle bin and knowing how to navigate through it ensures that no valuable information is truly lost. You can take a moment to browse and perhaps recover some of that work you thought was gone forever. And that's it. By following these steps, accessing deleted items in Wrike is straightforward and efficient. Keep this guide handy so the next time you accidentally delete something, you'll know exactly how to retrieve it without hassle. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you manage your Wrike environment more effectively. Be sure to check out our other guides for more tips and tricks on optimizing your workflow.